mo na lang. Okay, na-record ko na. So, good day, whoever's watching this. Wait lang.
Gano'n ka kayo, sir? Mag-gilid ka.
Diretso na lang ba kayo, sir? Wag na parang kunyari may ibang manonood.
For everyone who's gonna watch this, and especially to you, Sir Earl,
Okay.
pinakamasarap
Okay, ito na.
game.
Hello, good day, everyone. Especially to Sarah, who will be watching this, or to anyone who will be watching this. We are the Keyboard Warriors, and today we will be presenting our game, the Typhoon City Safeguard. So, what we'll be presenting today would be it will be the 7th version of our game. So here's our game, and I would like to hand the mic to Mr. Alzen for explanation of the script.
So this is our script in each for the main game. Pinakamahaba yung main game, of course. Yan. Diyan nakalagay yung bawat functions ng bawat words, bawat buttons, enemies. Ayan. Nakakonect yung main game, of course, sa word enemy namin. Yung mga sprite na lalabas sa game. Ayan. Yung floating score, ito yung points na lumalabas after ma-eliminate or ma-destroy yung specific na sprite. Tapos yung floodwater naman, ito yung yung level na pag umaangat siya, dun tayo matatalo.
So let's play. Let's launch the game. So here's our main menu screen or start screen. So when we click play, it will prompt you to our background and you can't start the game. You need to choose a difficulty first. And selecting a difficulty will also show you its information about it. So here in easy, clear 40 debris, can miss 10 times, and you can crit at 5 letters. Same as here in medium and in hard. So let's select medium for now.
So this is the 50% that we have now. The beans we have different degrees, the branches, the nails, the cigarettes, or the wheels. Now, if we tab, we have a tab key where the game will be paused. And, bali, ito yung pause screen namin where we have resume and the main menu. Click the resume, please. Continue. You can see we have when the word is long, the specific level. That's the game again. We have well, let's go back to main menu. So I think that's it. That's the 60% of our game. And konti na lang yung mga i-improve namin like the UI, tsaka kung ano pa yung maisip naming improvements na pwedeng apply sa game.
And yeah, thanks for watching, and that's our 60%.
Thank you.